Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 4.8, Problem 11. This is Section 4.8, Problem 11. It says William is a realtor. He just sold a 3-bedroom colonial in Swansea for $380,000. If he earns 8% commission, how much did he get paid for the sale of the home? So what this amounts to, again, because it's a percent problem, I want to be able to write it as A is P percent of B. Fill it into that form and then use the formula A over B equals P over 100. So to put it in the A is P percent of B form, what I want to know is A is 8% of $380,000. Right, that's the commission I'm looking for. It's 8% of the sale of the house, $380,000. So to put it in the format for my formula, the A is the unknown, so it can just stay as A. The is becomes equal sign. 8% is 8 over 100. And the B is $380,000. That's B. So there it is filled in. So to find the answer, I will cross multiply and divide. So going one way, I have 100 times A, which is 100A. And then the other way, 380,000 times 8. So that'll be 100A equals 380,000 times 8 is not a multiplication most people do easily in your head. If you can use a calculator for this, it'd be a good thing to do. If not, just go off to the side. Most of them is zeros, so it's pretty easy. 8 times 0 is 0, 8 times the next 0 is 0, 8 times another 0 is 0, 8 times 0 again is another 0. Now, 8 times 8 is 64. Write the 4, carry the 6. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 6 more that we carried, so 24 and 6 more is 30. So 380,000 times 8 is 304 and then 4 zeros like that. That's a very big number. And again, that's not the answer. That's 100A. So to get the final answer, I have to divide away the 100. So A equals that big number, 304 with 4 zeros after it, over 100. Well, when you divide by the 100, basically the 2 zeros in the 100 will cancel 2 of the zeros in the numerator. So my answer when I chop off 2 of the zeros would come to 30,400. So what is that answer? That's the commission on selling a $380,000 home if the realtor earns an 8% commission. So over $30,000, $30,400 is earned by the realtor for the sale of that home.